Hi programmers, I wanted to do one last lesson on the print routine because I realized I was remiss in that I did not give you a page counter. And it's real easy to do a page counter, and there's different ways to do it, but just sort of a short quick way to show you. I added it at the end of this header line that gave the descriptions. I have noticed in the past, like if you try to save variables, it will not update them, so you have to change it every single time. But anyway, what I did was I took the last new line off the header and made the end of the statement past this holiday. And I created a counter and I called him PX and I set him to 1 for the first time. And then after I said, created my string text to print equals header, I said text to print equals text to print plus page, and then I did a left pad to 10 characters to give me some spacing, and then I did px dot toString. And so that was for the very first page. And then when the pages change down here, you would need to also do pretty much the same thing. You would need to increment your px first, and then you would do the same thing. This text to print equals text to print plus page. And then the last one, you don't have to worry about that, forcing out that last line or anything like that. That wouldn't worry. So anyway, that should give you your page counter, and we'll run a quick test on this. It says 498 is my day to week. 499 print document. It's working. Okay, here we are. We've got our page number now. Ideally, it might be best to do it up a little bit higher, but this was just a quick little lesson to show you how, like instead of at the end of this header line. But, it shows you that that's how you do page headers. Anyway, that's all for this lesson. Bye.